Good afternoon, everybody. I'm coming to you today. I thought I would introduce you all to Spot. Spot is my very first diesel truck I ever had. She's a 91, non-intercooled, 1-ton, 4-wheel drive. It's got 136,000 miles on her. She earned her name Spot because when I first got her, she was multicolored. I figured it was kind of fitting today to bring Spot into the shop because on this date 4 years ago, a very, very special person come into my life, and that was my granddaughter. So Spot and Grandpa are wishing you a happy birthday, Lillian. I love you, sweetheart, and I hope you get to watch this video. And may everybody else out there wish you a happy birthday. So you all have a great day. We'll see you around. And be safe out there. Thank you very much. Bye.